LeetSwap V2 lost $630,000 on base chain. Not from a code bug. Not from a hack. From a design flaw that gave one address too much power. Here is the background. LeetSwap is a decentralized exchange. A fork of Uniswap V2 with added fee mechanics. It implements an automated market maker with constant product formula, a time-weighted average price oracle, protocol fees via a separate fees contract, flash loan support, and permit functionality for gasless approvals. It was one of the early DEXs on base. The vulnerability was centralization. Pure and simple. Step 1. The factory owner calls set protocol fees share with a value of 10,000, which equals 100%. Step 2. All swap fees now go to the protocol fees recipient. Step 3. The same owner calls set protocol fees recipient and points it to their own address. Step 4. The owner can also pause all trading using the as paused mechanism. No timelock. No multisig. No governance vote required. One private key controlled everything. Look at this code. The factory owner could call set protocol fees share with any value up to 10,000 basis points. That is 100% of all fees. They could also change the fee recipient address at will. There were no upper bounds, no delays, and no multi-signature requirements. In the fixed version, you would hard code a maximum fee cap, for example 5%, and require a timelock delay of at least 48 hours on any parameter change. Our scanner detected this. Slither found 48 issues and the AI review identified that one address controlled the fee, recipient, fee percentage, and trading pause. Adarin failed on this contract. And Mithril also failed due to a parser error. Source coverage was 60.9%, giving us high coverage from the tools that did run. The key lesson is this. If you are forking a DEX, add constraints in the code itself. Hard code a maximum fee cap. Add a timelock on parameter changes. Require a multisig for admin functions. Decentralized exchange should mean decentralized control. If you are building or investing in a DEX on Base, or any chain, get a risk screening first. We catch centralization risks automatically. Free scan at axiomsecurity.vercel.app.